A war in a narrow waterways have forced billion-dollar company to re-alter their supply chains. Indian goods manufacture companies Dabur, Emami, Britannia Industries, and Tata Consumer Goods have shifted their manufacturing and sources away from West Asia due to the Iran conflict and blockage at Strait of Hormuz, which has disrupted their business operations. Dabur, whose regional supply mostly depend on Ras Al Khaimah in UAE, has now shifted its production from there to India, Turkey, and Egypt. It has also created new routes from these places. Yes, the higher cost has increased their reduce in their margins. Similar is the case with Britannia that has shifted their manufacturing for West Asia and Northern America from Oman to its more product export centered facility at Mundra in Gujarat, from where it can now ship directly through sea. They have also established that their supply chain is now not dependent on the Hormuz Strait. Similar with other companies like Tata Consumer Product, Emami. Emami has also seen a very sharp decline in their international business due to this conflict. But these companies are now shifting their production base, altering their shipping routes, and diversifying their supplier network. But still, the West Asia market is very critical from them. As of for Dabur, it contributes to around 35% of its international business, which is a huge number. And these companies are hoping for geopolitical situations to improve and conflicts to cool down. But still, the companies are now paying higher prices and not shipping their products from the cheapest source to get the delivery timely to their consumers. And the question here is this permanent or temporary? Because if the war continues and conflicts rise, then the price ultimately need to be paid to consumer. They will get products at a higher price.